Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to add a DMARC record for your GoHighLevel email domains. Now, this will help you make sure that your emails go straight to inboxes and avoid spam folders. But before we dive into the video, there's something special that I want to share with you. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you for using my affiliate link, you're also giving you access to my full course GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Now, GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but as a thank you for using my affiliate link, you're going to receive all of that for free. Just click the first link in the description below to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. First off, let's talk about why setting up a DMARC record is so important. So DMARC stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance. It's a tool that protects your domain from fake emails and phishing scams. When you set up a DMARC record, your emails are checked against SPF and DKIM, which helps stop your message from being marked as spam. By doing this, your emails are more likely to reach the right inbox and it keeps your brand's reputation intact. In other words, having a DMARC record makes sure that your communication with clients stays professional and secure. Next, log into your GoHighLevel account, and once you're in, go to the sub account where you want to set up your email services. Then head to the settings menu in your sub account. Click on the email services section, and here you'll see the option to create a dedicated domain. Now, this step is important because it keeps your email sending separate from other activities. Plus, it makes it easier to set up things like DMARC, SPF, and DKIM records the right way. When you select the dedicated domain and IP option to create a dedicated domain, you'll be taken to the next page. And here, click on the Add Domain button and then enter your domain name. If you've purchased your domain through providers like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or any other reputable registrar, simply enter your domain name in the provided field. For instance, if your domain is myrealestatepros.com, type that in and then click on the Add and Verify button to proceed to the next step. Now, a pop-up window will show up on your screen and you'll have two choices. If you click the Continue button, GoHighLevel will automatically pull the details it needs from your domain. But if you prefer to do it yourself, you can click on the Add Record Manually option instead. Now, I'll walk you through both methods. First, click on the Continue button. Now, when you do this, GoHighLevel will grab the details that it needs from your domain. Once it's done verifying the information, you'll see the name of your domain provider. In this example, it's GoDaddy. After that, click the Authorize Domain button. Now, this will take you to a new tab where you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account to finish authorizing your domain. Now, let's go over how to manually add the DMARC record. When you select the Add Record Manually option, a pop-up window will show up on your screen with all of the DNS records that you need to add to your domain provider, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. To manually add the DMARC record in GoHighLevel, you need to fill in a few key details in your domain settings. In the pop-up window, you'll see different types of records that need to be added. Each row has three sections: record, host, and required value. For DMARC, you need to pick TXT in the record section. In the host field, type _DMARC. Now, this tells your domain provider that it's a DMARC rule. Then, in the required value field, you paste a DMARC policy. Now, since this is just a tutorial, you don't need to use a real email provider, but this value is what controls how your emails are verified. Plus, you'll notice other records like TXT, CNAME, and MX. Now, these are also used for email authentication. However, for DMARC, all you need to do is add a text record with the right host and value. Now, once you've entered the details, save the record in your domain settings and click Verify Records in GoHighLevel just to make sure that everything is set up properly. And that's it, guys. Now your DMARC record record is set up and your emails are more likely to land in inboxes instead of spam folders. If you want to try GoHighLevel, click on the link in the description below. Now, if you use my affiliate link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. And on top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates. All of that's for free. Just click the link below to get started and to claim your bonuses. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.